was that it was in 14th century. Around that time printing press was established, and slowly it spread throughout Europe. And I think in the 17th century, the history book says it's called the Age of Reason. Do you remember that? At least people who are in the school should remember that. Age of Reason. It's called Age of Reason. And Age of Reason, what does it actually mean? What is reason? When can reason function? Reason can only function when you are dealing with what is known. You understand? In the realm of unknown, reason has no, it can do nothing. Isn't it? It's common sense, no? You're getting complicated. How do you reason? Somebody gives you information, that with which you reason, na? In the realm of unknown, what can reason do? So what do you do in the realm of unknown? You're looking very surprised, that's why I'm wondering. I know you have not thought about it at all. We've taken for granted that reasoning is very normal, natural, that is what we are all supposed to do, and that makes you smarter and all that. When you're in the realm of unknown, what is that you can do? Just observe, that's all. No? Even observation you have not done, so you don't know what that means. When you do not know, the only thing you can do is to watch what is happening. Simple. Understand? No arrogance. With humility you watch. What is the color of sky? No? This is confidence. Because that's an idiotic response. Because you are very certain about it. You don't have any doubt. And then you have made all the reasons to believe that, either you just believe or some, many people have told you it's blue. Right? So you believe in it. Understand? And you have now scientific proof to tell all that. Am I right? This is all with which you make this thing, no? So the age of reason is happened in the 17th century, and that is when the whole system began to change in human consciousness. So the whole modernity is working on linguistic software. It's language software. It's not an experience. It's not nothing to do with senses. Senses don't function, right?